Welcome to Shannon's Big World 20 Ninja Time. In today's video, it's my second EAS video, and it's called The Moon Explodes by Shannon. Wednesday, on December 13th, 2099, at 1 a.m. Ba, 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 ba. The National Weather Service has issued a freeze warning for the following counties and areas: Illinois. There have been temperatures under 40 degrees. You should stay indoors, only unless it is a real emergency. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. Ba, 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 ba. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning because of the cold temperatures. It is now spread to less than 25 degrees. A blizzard warning could be really dangerous. So, stay safe, stay cool, and go to the hottest place near you. So, yeah. Ba, 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 ba. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning of cold temperatures. It is now spread to almost 8 degrees. This is not a test. There have been winter storms spreading to the whole two states of Illinois and Indiana, and now Iowa. These three states should seek shelter immediately, closing like all the windows and doors. There has been reported strong winds and hail and heavy rainfall to the National Weather Service. And go to NOAA.gov for more information. This is not a test. If these cold temperatures keep going on, you will have no way that the moon will might explode one day. You don't know that yet, but okay. Ba, 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 ba. The National Weather Service has issued a silver danger warning. There have been temperatures in Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Kansas, Texas, and New Mexico. This is not a test. Temperatures could be really dangerous, and the lowest temperature is negative 20 degrees. There have been more people dying from the really cold, so do not go outdoors. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a nationwide alert. Important details will follow. Ba, 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 ba. The United States government, the President, the United States federal government, the National Weather Service, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The moon will explode in 2 hours due to the really hot, cold temperatures. This is not a test. The moon will explode in 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Gather your children, pets, and family and forgiven loved ones to seek shelter, but humanity will not end, but there will be over 6 billion people that will actually die. This is not a test. Humanity is going to be really hard to live after the moon explodes. This is not a test. And maybe after the moon explodes, maybe the rest of the 7.7 billion people will actually die too, and humanity will actually end. Buh, buh, buh. We interrupt our regular programming. Important details will follow. Buh, 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 buh. We interrupt the regular programming. No more programming will resume, no more. Because this is a nationwide alert. This is a whole global alert for the whole Earth. After the moon exploded, there has been reports of people dying from the moon explodes, but there are still 1,200 people left alive. In the past few days, the rest of the 1,200 people will die. This is not a test. After this message, all stations should transmit forever. This is not a test. There has been power outages too, and due to the moon exploding, there might be even the sun exploding too, and this is the end of the world. No more programming will resume. After this message, may God bless you all. May God bless the entire United States and the rest of the world. Thank you and goodbye. The end. Alright, that was a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video, leave a comment.